To hook up the electrics in your California 6.1, first locate the isolator switch. It is found in the rear cupboard on the left-hand side. Ensure it is down and set to the off position. Now remove the hookup cable from the drawer under the bench seat in the rear. Your 240-volt electric hookup point is located on the rear left of the vehicle. Once plugged into a power source, plug the other end of the cable into the hookup point on your California. Return to the cupboard and set the isolator switch to the on position. You will know the hookup is working as an amber power sign will illuminate on the control panel. To disconnect, simply reverse the process. You will need to push the blue tab down on the connector to pull the cable out of the hookup point.